How to get Microsoft Reward Point fast. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can get Microsoft Reward Points fast. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can get some. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're looking for how you can get the reward point fast, when you scroll down a bit, you'll be finding different options from where you can get reward points. For example, this one. So after that is done, you may just look up for another option, which is Chrome Web Store. You need to download an extension. Just head over to the Chrome Web Store. Just type in Chrome Web Store on the search bar. After that, it will take you to the Chrome Web Store, where you will be finding this link on the very first. Just click on the very first link that appears, which is the official Chrome Web Store. After that, here you'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store. Just go to the search bar and type in the extension that I'm showing, which is Bing Automate. Just type in that and click on the very first link. The very first option, this is automate your Bing searches and add it to Chrome. And a pop-up will appear. Just click on add extension. After that, wait for the extension to be downloaded. After the extension is downloaded, you just need to head over to the Microsoft Reward section. Just pin it first of all. After that is done, just head over to the Microsoft Reward section and go to this points breakdown. After that, click on this PC search. You can find that option. Just click on it, and when you go to this section, just turn on the extension that we just downloaded, that we just added onto your Chrome browser. Just accept the risk and the terms and conditions. After that, click on the start search, and it starts searching it with the range that you provided here. You may also make it up like this delay in seconds, and different options are available there. You may just set it up accordingly. After that is done, just head over to the Microsoft Rewards, and then your points should probably increase. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.